Hello and welcome. Today we are making celery juice. There really isn't that much to it. I do this every week. For me, it's a nice alternative to water, just to drink something different because you're putting down those 64 ounces each day and it just feels like it hydrates maybe a little better. But you know, I'm gonna list a bunch of here's what else it does. So check that out. And let's get into it. First, celery. This is a smaller stock, but this should get me enough juice for at least one 32-ounce mason jar. Most people cut it in thirds. I like to cut it a little smaller just to kind of help the blend. Chop the ends and then right on down, and then throw that into a bowl. We're gonna fill that bowl with some water. And then what I do is just give it a little hand stir, let some of that dirt settle. And then we put it into our blender. Okay, and then we dump excess water. Give this a little rinse. And for me, I'll fill up this guy about halfway with cold water and dump it in there, and we should get a full one of these. Boom. All right, and we blend. Blending is done. Got the bowl back, mesh strainer, and some cheesecloth. And we're gonna pour this mixture in here. We'll see how much we get. I think you could do this without the cheesecloth. I like to just squeeze it after doing this to get a little extra. Pour. Bada bing, bada boom. That green juice. And that's it, celery juice. You should make it. It's good and good for you. We'll catch you on the next one. Boosh!